Well, hello everyone. How are you doing? It's thought it was time for an update. We got some things going on, some things that's been happening, and so thought I'd just give you an update. It's been 3 months since we got home from out in Colorado. Still got all those videos coming, more to come, more I'm still trying to produce. So we're excited about all those videos and sharing those with you. Please make sure that you tell others to watch those videos and to subscribe. It does help us. Um, it's been 3 months, like I said, since we got home. In those 3 months, if you remember when we left Colorado, Nancy had hurt her leg. She's fine now with that. They discovered it was a large hematoma that was on her shin, and she had that taken care of. It's all fine now. You can't even tell it's that it was hurt. Excuse me. But since then, it just seems like we've been under constant attack. Nancy had to have a procedure done and some tests. All those tests came back normal. Everything was fine, but it had us worried. Get home and find out that my hours had been cut from where I was working. So we have been struggling mightily financially as a result of that. I've been having to go back and trying to do some delivering around town here. Only problem is that puts wear and tear on your vehicle. And we found out when we got back that our vehicle does need some repairs, but because of hours being cut and such, we don't have the money to have those repairs done right now. So we got to keep putting them off, praying that the vehicle holds up over that time. Let's see. It just seems like we've just been under mental, physical, spiritual attack since we got back home. We feeling discouraged, feeling just like what's going on, one of those kind of things. Had to have a revival that we had scheduled. It had to be postponed twice. First time the church had a COVID outbreak. Second time there was a death in the church. Hopefully we'll be able to get those two services in on November 6th and 7th over at the Trinity House of God over in Austin, Indiana. So we're praying that those services come through. Had a wonderful service down at Mount Zion Baptist Church in Lexington. Pray for that pastor down there. He's had some health issues, and he needs prayer down there at Zion Baptist Church in Lexington, Kentucky. But having said all of that, we are still excited about what God is doing. God's opening doors for us. God's providing for us. He's taking care of us. We're excited about what we did this past summer out west. We've already talked a little bit about that in some other videos, about all the encounters that we met out there, all the churches that we ministered to. And we're excited about going back next year and doing even more. It's in my heart. It's in Nancy's heart. We love that area out there. That's my land. That's my mission field. Mine and Nancy's mission field out there, to go out there and to minister to people and to help people and to just be a light in this world of darkness. And as you probably realize just by watching the news, this is a world that right now is in darkness, and it needs a light. It needs Christians to step forward and to take responsibility for setting the example, for being a light to this world. And that's what we do. That's what we do. And so we're going to be heading back out west in 2023, and we're excited about that. Unfortunately, we got to get through winter in order to get to that point. So winter is coming. It's the end of October, and yeah, I'm not ready for it. I want to be warm. I'm tired of being cold already. But just wanted to fill you in. Oh, one real exciting thing too that's happened is we have become what's called an Amazon affiliate. In other words, if you look in the description on our videos, and some of them I haven't had a chance to update, you will see links Amazon links in some of the stuff that we use, some of the products that we use. And so if you follow those links and then you buy those products, we get a stipend, a small amount credited to us for those products that are sold. And so it's a little way of producing a little bit of income for us. It's probably won't amount to much, but it's just a way to produce income. Hi, Tony. How are you? Tony's, the tiger, is down there making sure the tripod is straight. So if you see stuff that we use, for example, in an upcoming video, we talk about Nancy's water shoes, water hiking shoes. That's in there. My hat, that's in there. You know, just stuff that we use. If you see that and you think, hey, I would like to get that, check in the links. And you'll see those Amazon affiliate links in there under the description. So that's real exciting for us. So pray for us. Keep us in your prayers. We've got this winter to go through where we've got to save and prepare. Yeah, I mean, going out west and doing the work we go out there is not something that we just, whoop, let's go, you know. It's something that we have to prepare for. We have to save for. I mean, it's money out of our own pockets to go out there. And so we have to be prepared for that June 1st or maybe a week or two before June 1st to head out there. But we're already preparing. Nancy was making a list of things that we noticed that we needed this past summer that we didn't take with us. So she's getting that list together. And, you know, just keep us in your prayers. You know, if you want to send us a card or you know, write to us or just keep in touch with us, you know, you can do that through our links here on this video, through Facebook. You know, there's lots of ways to keep up with us, and spread the word about what we're doing. Spread it. We appreciate it. We appreciate you watching these videos and keeping up with us. And you know, just like I said before, just keep us in your prayers. You know, and that's the best way you can really support us is through prayers, because we need prayers. And so anyhow, I just wanted to give you this update. We've got some exciting videos coming up soon. You've got I just finished our video of the hike I took up to Independence Monument. Oh my, yeah, that was over 5 miles round trip. But oh, it was just so beautiful. I didn't want to leave. It was that pretty. So anyhow, I'm going to wind this up, and we thank you. And you know, check out those Amazon affiliate links. And we just appreciate you all. And God bless. Thank you.